Lecture 6553, Proper Relationship with My Clients, Subordinate versus Dominant. I work in car sales, and even though with some of the companies we deal with, we are in a dominant position, GOP in Korean, there are times when our counterpart, who should be subordinate, in Korean, behaves as if they were dominant. How do I distinguish between these roles in such cases? Since I'm the one negotiating contracts on behalf of the company, I notice that despite them being in a subordinate position, they behave toward me as if they were dominant, GOP. I wonder how I should handle the situation when the subordinate party acts as the dominant one. Furthermore, we salespeople, whether our mood is good or not, must always treat our customers with a smile. But there are times when this attitude seems hypocritical to me. I wonder if there's a way to manage our emotions and what I should learn to deal with in such situations. A clearly subordinate person behaving as the dominant one? There's absolutely no such principle. That person behaves as the dominant one or upper hand because they are. If you consider that person to be subordinate, the lower hand, that's only your perception and may differ from what the rest of society perceives. Your assessment may be false. It's like that. And while conducting business, you should always do it with a smile. If you smile, you'll sell more. If you don't, your customers will leave. That's why you should smile. This is because you are in a subordinate position. However, if you are in a dominant position, you can smile or even get angry if you want. A person who can confidently say, "It's not like that," or "Yes, it is a strong person. If you are in a lower position and find yourself in an uncomfortable situation, you should accept everything and behave as if it's all fine. You need to properly assess every situation. If you are still working in sales, this means you still have a lot to learn there. You still have a lot to learn from the company, your customers, the company owners, your superiors, and all the people you interact with daily. It doesn't matter what others say. If you're still a salesperson, this means you still have a lot to learn. A salesperson can never occupy the dominant position. You should always strive to learn and improve. You started with car sales, but this is just your current way to meet people and experience different environments. Your job will allow you to meet many people and experience different situations. All of this represents your opportunity to learn and the challenges to overcome. If you accept everything without complaints, especially when things don't go well, this means you are intently learning. If, on the other hand, you complain about everything that happens to you, time will pass without you even starting your learning journey. You're fighting against what's happening to you. By doing so, you can never learn. Even the fact that you feel the hypocrisy of having a fake smile, that's complaining. If your position doesn't suit you, you should leave. You shouldn't complain. If you don't like it, just go away. If you didn't like it and remain there complaining, you will harm the company, treat customers poorly, and face difficulties. Inevitably, you will be the one paying the consequences in the end. Never complain. By changing your mindset, you will see society in a different light, and your inner strength will increase, and even your way of facing the world will change. Judging situations without properly understanding them will keep you trapped in complaints. Complaining means you are preparing to give up your position. You can view it this way.